Hi all, welcome back. Today I'm sharing my airport travel vlog and also sharing some packing tips. So please keep watching till the end. I hope you will like this. So before the actual flight, I had to do some shopping. Here I'm shopping for some woolen essential and some sport shoes. After the shopping, I took the suitcases from the upper cabinet and started to pack. Around 2 days before the trip, my husband helped with most of the packing and we rolled our clothes to fit in maximum clothes and to save space. The destination was Kashmir. It was quite cold over there, so we packed lots of our woolen wear and winter wear, sports shoes in a trash bag, lots of caps, mittens, pair of sweaters and socks. I also kept this bag in case I need it after I open the suitcase. It's a reusable bag, that's why I kept it. Now when you're traveling with kids, the most important thing is how do you pack your medicines. The first thing that I pack in a big pouch is a Vicks Vapor Rub, a good lip balm, and an electrolyte powder. Also, whenever I'm packing the reused bottle of syrups, I wrap them with a cling wrap so that it doesn't leak and spoil the bag. Now this way, the bottles will stay fine and they are ready to travel. I'm packing some paracetamol, some cold and cough syrup and some gas syrup for kids. Now all the tablets go in this smaller pouch and this pouch goes inside the bigger pouch. Also thought of sharing a simple DIY. I made this watch out of my old watch. My old watch straps had worn out, so I thought of replacing it with my bracelet. I had this bracelet I cut in the center and using the screws of the watch, I fit this strap into the watch with glue gun. If you're interested, I'll make a proper complete video about it in my coming videos. Now everything was ready on the day of travel. We left our house at midnight. It was a midnight flight. We reached airport well ahead on time. After checking in and boarding the luggage and after doing security check, we headed to the airport lounge. We had some time in our hand, so thought of spending it in the lounge. It was relaxing and very beautiful. Sharing some clips from the lounge. This was Sarah's first flight, where she is enjoying with her aunt. My husband was the first one to fall asleep. Kids are having a fun time. We landed at Srinagar airport. It was raining when we landed. After all the formalities, we checked into our hotel. So this brings us an end. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.